Hello everyone, this is Steve with Alaska Volkswagen Adventures near Kenai, Alaska. I am about 2.5 hours south of Anchorage, Alaska, and I figured I would give you a tour of my 1991 Volkswagen Syncro Westfalia. I've had it about a month. It's getting ready to get a whole bunch of renovations and prepared for this winter, because I'm going to do a lot of winter camping in this. Currently right next to the Cook Inlet. There's Mount Redoubt hidden right now behind the clouds. Here, waves are crashing right below me. Mount Iliamna is hidden in the clouds there too. Oh, here it is. A couple of things I've changed already. I've changed the awning. I added an Engel 45 refrigerator freezer. Put the Go Westy rear bumper on with the swingaways. I've got some Rotopax fuel tanks. The Van Cafe side ladder. It'll get a lot of upgrades here shortly. I already have most everything in the garage. I just need to start putting stuff on. This is a one owner. I purchased it from the original owner. It has 133,000 miles on it. I just drove it up the Alcan from Washington State. Drove pretty good. Had a few minor issues, nothing major. Everything's pretty much original. It's a one knob. That'll hopefully be changing in the spring. It's in really good shape. Does have the original canvas on the roof that's pretty much perfect. Everything's like a normal Westfalia. Air conditioning does not work, which would have been nice because it was 100 degrees when I picked it up in Washington. That's the original cargo floor carpet. I did add Vanagon Life center console. That thing is amazing. It's heavy. So things I'm going to do to it here in the near future. I've got different wheels. I haven't bought the tires yet. I have Fox shocks that will be going on. I have Go Westy lift springs. Bring it up a little more. I do have a Go Westy steel front bumper that'll be going on probably this week. It's already had the headlights upgraded. Probably do truck mirrors, because these mirrors no longer function. They were supposed to be powered. They don't work anymore. I'll be deleting the refrigerator this week because it works, but not very well, as most Westfalia owners know. I'll be adding my spare tire. I have a bike rack. I've got a box that goes on the shelf. Has a little bit of seam rust right here, like pretty much all of them do. I'll have to address that this spring coming up. And a little bit right here on the nose. The previous owner did a little bit of self-work on. Other than that, that's kind of the first walk around on my Westfalia. I'll keep you guys posted. If there's anything, any comments or anything that you guys think I should do, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to everybody. I live about 15 minutes from this place, so I come here often and just kind of enjoy the weather and catch the waves and the cool salt breeze. Anyhow, take care everybody. Safe travels. Like, share, and subscribe.